Thank you so much, Pasig National High School Singing Ambassadors. It is under the supervision of Sir Joey Ramos and Miss Salvatore Aguirre to Pasig National High School Pride. You may now sit down.
To formally open our ceremony, we would like to call our beloved school principal, Dr. Nelson P. Palma, for the welcome remarks.
Good morning, everyone. Let me begin my speech with a trivia about an athlete who is considered as one of the greatest basketball player ever. Kilala niyo si Michael Jordan? Michael Jordan made 11 All-NBA teams, won 5 MVPs, 6 Finals MVPs, and 6 NBA titles, and crafted a legendary legacy. But once, he was quoted saying these lines: "I have missed more than 9,000 shots in my career. I have lost almost 300 games. On 26 occasions, I have been entrusted to take the game-winning shot, and I missed. I have failed over and over and over again in my life. And that is why I succeed." To our very supportive City Mayor, Attorney Stephen Palmares, although he is not around because of the very hectic schedule, ang atong subong na recognition, graduation rights sa DepEd, nagadurungan. So si Mayor, gawai ikarap-arapan kung di makadto. That is why, ginabudget na lang yung time na. We would like to thank our beloved Mayor for lending or allowing us to use this City of Pasig Arena. Good morning also and welcome to this very significant occasion, to our PTA President, Mr. to our PTA President, Mr. Joey Palmares. Welcome. To Attorney Recabel Paciente, who will be introduced to us later, who is our guest speaker for this morning. To the Barangay Captain of Poblacion Ilaya, my pariente Alma Palmares. Sa aton nga very dynamic na senior high school assistant principal to Ma'am Rosa Pisos Tiberio, and her partner sa junior high school program, assistant principal 2 for Junior High School Program in charge of academic, Ma'am Jesus Susa Amador. From the left end, na struck ako kay Sir Meljon, kay Pagpuang Luke, our handsome ITO sa Division Office, Sir Meljon de la Cruz. Our beloved accountant from the Division Office, Ma'am Donna Jane Palma. Si Ma'am Donna Jane, duha ang sa buong ang role as division personnel and of course as parent, as mother. I would like also to welcome her better half, the executive assistant sa LGU natin, si Engineer Inyong Palma. And of course, welcome also to this occasion the very proud parents and of course, our stars for this morning's activity, the awardees. Pero hindi kita kumalipat sa mga teachers nga nagapulaw at nagabugtaw para matapos yung mga okasyon natin. Palapakan natin yung mga teachers natin. May pira pa kita nga nabilin mga teachers kung matapos dahil ako maaga. Pira pa? May tatlo pa. We have Senior High School Recognition Program this afternoon. Tomorrow morning, we still have the completion ceremony for our grade 10 completers. And tomorrow afternoon, we have our finale, which is the graduation ceremony of our grade 12 learners. I would like to extend my warmest congratulations to the deserving student achievers of the junior high school program, as well as to their proud parents, family members, and friends who are present this morning. You are present this morning to receive your hard-earned award because you have fought a good fight. You have strived and burned your midnight candles to be able to study your lessons, create your outputs and projects, and accomplish your tasks. You have not allowed negativity, pressures, and stresses to crush your dreams and goals in life. There are three important lessons that we can learn from the life and experiences of Michael Jordan. First, let us acknowledge that failure is by no means the end of the world. Kung maglubo yung dream natin, it's not the end of the world. Hindi lang mag-resort sa suicide, etc., etc., no? It is just a temporary and should not be fair. Rather, failure should be regarded as a springboard of opportunity to try until persistence and resilience unlock our targets. Second, a positive spirit and a positive mindset yield positive results. Looking at the bright side of life and making the best of everything can surely make a difference. Never allow the negative opinions of others limits your capability and determine what you can do and you can do. And third, success is not an overnight process. It is a marathon and not a sprint. It requires patience and slow, steady hard work. If you don't rush life, you will find the rewards are sweeter, stronger, and longer lasting. My dear friends, there isn't such a feeling as powerful as victory. My dear students, parents, teachers, and guests, let us celebrate your achievements together as I warmly welcome you to this junior high school recognition program. Thank you very much.